What's good, people? What's going on? Hope everyone's okay, having a lovely day. All of that, even though the weather is kind of trash. I say kind of, it's trash. Now, if you've seen on my story, I posted a picture of these saying that I've got a package in today and that it's something that's not yet been released. So I got early access on the Nike Sneakers app, which enabled me to purchase the pair inside here. This is literally just a quick unboxing. So without further ado, let's do this unboxing. Let me try to be cinematic about this. Oh! Oh! Rah. Like that. Like that. Okay. Let's get into it. Oh. So much paper, man. Oh. Okay. I hate that I just ripped that paper. There we have it, the new off-white rubber dunks in the UNC colorway. To be honest, right, if I'm honest, let me be honest, right, I didn't like this shoe. I don't like this shoe. Let me correct myself. I don't like this shoe.
The dash is busy, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing.
It looks better in person. I leaned more towards the green and black pair. So there's 3 pairs in total. There's the black and green voltish kind of colorway. There's this one, the UNC blue and silver colorway. And then you've also got the yellow and black pair. There's so much rubber on these, hella rubber. If you can see, the swoosh is made out of rubber without being filled in. All of these blue accents that you see on the shoe, even on the back of the heel tab.
Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same place I can make death come finish you. Don't you be in charge, you just look like a crew. Be a dope boy, 100,000 any people. President's attention, I probably don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the age. Man, trade about the drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know on the truck, I'm in from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm from the pavement. $1 million, $100, give me the.
So that was literally a very quick unboxing. Just wanted to give you guys a look at the shoes.